Alright, Hannah, now I'm going to take your arm circumference measurement. I'm going to find the anatomical position between the acromion and the ocranial process. Put a little X right there. Put a little high. What do you do again? What are you saying? And I got 30 centimeters, which is 300 millimeters. Hannah's skin to regain texture. I'm going to test her again. And again, I got 30 centimeters, which is 300 millimeters. Circumference measurement, and I'm going to measure your buttocks. I'm going to take the tape measure, and I'm going to find the largest part of the buttocks. And we get 1,050 millimeters. And I've allowed your skin to regain texture, and I'm going to test you again. And again, I got 1 meter and 5 centimeters, which is 1,050 millimeters. Hannah, now I'm going to take your calf circumference measurement. I'm going to have you turn around for me. It's halfway between the knee and the ankle, and I'm just going to put an X here. Now I get 39 centimeters, which is 390 millimeters. Hannah's skin to regain texture, and I'm going to test again. And again, I got 39 centimeters, which is 390 millimeters. Hannah, my name's Ashley. I'm going to be doing some circumference measurements on you today. We're going to be doing your abdomen. This is good to assess your body composition. I'm going to be using this tape measurement. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Would you raise your shirt for me, please? All right. I'm going to find your iliac crest and level with your belly button. I'm going to put an X with this pen. I'm squeezing your belly, aren't I? And I have 77 millimeters, 77 centimeters, which is 770 millimeters. Okay. Well, Hannah, we've allowed you to rest for a minute, let your skin regain texture, and I'm going to test you again. This time I got 79, which is 790 millimeters, which is more than 5 millimeters away from my last result, so I'm going to let her regain texture again and take another test. I've allowed Hannah to rest and let her stomach regain texture, and I'm going to test her again. And this time, let's see here, I got 79, which is whatever I got the first time. 79 centimeters, which is 790 millimeters. Now I'm going to take Hannah's forearm measurement. It's the perpendicular to the long axis of the widest circumference. I'm going to put an X right here. And I get 24 centimeters, which is 240 millimeters. Now I've allowed Hannah's skin to regain texture, and I'm going to measure again. And again, I got 24 centimeters, which is 240 millimeters. Your hip-thigh circumference measurement. I need to find the hip proximal to the thigh, just below the gluteal fold. And I get 1 meter and 5 centimeters, which is 105 centimeters, which is 1,050 millimeters. I've allowed Hannah's skin to regain texture, and I'm going to measure again. And again, I get 1 meter and 5 centimeters, which is 1,050 millimeters. Hannah, now I'm going to take your mid-thigh measurement. Will you put your foot on the chair for me, please? We have our knee at a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to take the measurement halfway between her inguinal crease and her kneecap, perpendicular to the long axis. And I get 55 centimeters, which is 550 millimeters. We gain texture, and I'm going to measure again. And again, I get 55 centimeters, which is 550 millimeters. I'm going to take Hannah's waist circumference measurement. Hannah, do you care to raise your shirt for me? I'm going to mark this above the belly button and below the xiphoid process at the narrowest part. And I get 75 centimeters, which is 750 millimeters. Skin to regain texture, and I'm going to measure again. And again, I get 75 centimeters, which is 750 millimeters.